Hello everyone, we are the Zest Tech Trio. I am Karan.
I am Lakshan.
And I'm Om.
We are studying in grade 8 at Excel Public School, Mysore. The theme we have chosen is agriculture, and the problem statement is to develop a prototype of automated device or machine that assists small-scale farmers in tasks such as planting, watering or harvesting crops.
It is sad to hear that farmers in India are struggling with the problem of harvesting and sorting. The process is not only time consuming but also requires a lot of money to hire appropriate labor. It's a common problem that fruits often get bruised or damaged while harvesting, which results in loss of quality and revenue.
During our Zoom meeting with a farmer who grows oranges at Nagpur, we had an opportunity to speak with the farmer about the challenges they face during the orange harvesting. He informed us that they encounter issues like oranges randomly falling off the trees and the time consuming process of separating oranges based on size, which often results in the oranges losing their freshness.
Our proposed solution is orange harvesting and sorting cart that is attached to the plucker to collect oranges. The cart collects oranges through a net, which is easy to operate once the oranges are collected. It slides down the net to reach our cart. That cart has a slope in which the oranges go through. We have made holes of 5 cm and onwards up to 8 cm, and the holes are placed in ascending order so that the oranges get separated easily depending on the size. Farmers can save time and reduce losses by harvesting and sorting the oranges in real time. The long tube-like structure on the stick helps to prevent any damages to the oranges during the harvesting process, which is great, and the sorting mechanism on the cart that separates the oranges by size is definitely a time saver, eliminating the need for manual handling and extra storage time. Overall, it will be a very efficient and practical solution for orange farming.
Benefits of our proposed solution are it saves time, no separation of oranges, it is easy to move as it has wheels similar to a trolley, it also has a storage basket, it is made of reused material, it is easy to harvest oranges by the plucker, cost efficient.
We have taken the problem statement agriculture as farmers face a lot of problem in harvesting after growing crops. We listed the common difficulties faced by them, so we developed a cart that helps them collect oranges and sort it. We tested the cart with our teachers and they found it useful for the farmers of the nation. The key learning points are learning how to make a video, learning how to build a cart, and learning of documentation.